vigorous, active and strong in a physical sense. जोरदार. Synonym: effective, robust, potent. Antonym: apathetic, lethargic, sluggish. Calamity: a situation that results in extreme suffering. Apada. Synonym: adversity, disaster, collapse. Antonym: advantage, miracle, boon. Chary: apprehensive about doing something. Sabdhan. Synonym: cheerful, cautious, calculating. Antonym: headless, carefree, rash. Encounter: to come across something or someone without warning. सामने होना. Synonym: meeting, clash, bump into. Antonym: ignore, botch, retreat. Fury: intense anger, क्रोध. Synonym: rage, acrimony, ferocity. Antonym: calmness, mildness, glee. Pinnacle: the uppermost level achievable. शिखर. Synonym: apex, peak, zenith. Antonym: bottom, nadir, base. Vociferous: making a loud outcry. जोर की, आवाज का. Synonym: blatant, clamant, clamorous. Antonym: silent, soft spoken, polite. Vituperate: to insult or verbally attack someone using abusing languages. निंदा करना. Synonym: criticize, abuse, berate. Antonym: apprise, acclaim, applause. Hoodwink: to trick or deceive someone. धोखा देना. Synonym: deceive, defraud, mislead. Antonym: protect, help, assist. Permit: to pass or spread through. अर्पण, निकालना. Synonym: invade, pierce, transfuse. Antonym: concentrate, retreat, blocked. Irrevocable: unable to be changed or reversed. अनुरूप होना. Synonym: immutate, immutable, constant, unalterable. Antonym: alterable, reversible, revocable. Ignoble: not destroying respect, niche. Synonym: lowly, unworthy, contemptible. Antonym: dignified, noble, reputable. Plea: a humble request for help from someone in authority. Nivedan. Synonym: appeal, petition, request. Antonym: demand, decision, sentence. Muddy: covered with mud. Mela. Synonym: filthy, dirty, blood. Antonym: bright, clean, hygienic. Futile: incapable of producing any result. Birth. Synonym: failure, fruitless, unproductive. Antonym: fruitful, helpful, reproductive. Morose: in a bad mood, udas. Synonym: gloomy, calm, depressed. Antonym: cheerful, gentle, joyful. Distant: far away from the each other. दूर का. Synonym: isolate, far, secluded. Antonym: approachable, nearby, adjacent. Eccentric: a person with an unusual or odd personality. विचित्र. Synonym: bizarre, erratic, idiosyncratic. Antonym: conventional, familiar, standard. Advertise: to publicly promote a product or service. प्रसिद्ध करना. Synonym: promote, endorse, exhibit. Antonym: hide, suppress, withhold. Vivid: extremely bright or intense. Ujjal. Synonym: animated, bright, lucid. Antonym: bland, boring, dark. Moral: a lesson, shiksha. Synonym: meaning, significance, adage. Antonym: immoral, unethical. Next was the means of connection between things, a meeting point. Kari. Synonym: center, core, link. Antonym: exterior, outside. Mutate: to change, रूप बदलना. Synonym: alter, mend, modify. Antonym: remain, original, stay. Deliberate: to think or talk seriously about something. सोचा समझा. Synonym: international, calculated, cautious. Antonym: careless, headless, ignorant. Magnify: to boost or enhance something. बढ़ा देना. Synonym: intensify, enlarge, amplify. Antonym: compress, diminish, lessen. Stagnant: not moving or increasing. स्थिर. Synonym: dormant, ideal, inactive. Antonym: active, lively, energetic. Peril: a source of danger. जोखिम. Synonym: risk, hazard, jeopardy. Antonym: protection, security, safeness. Deceitful: dishonest or untruthful, in action or words. बेईमान. Synonym: dishonest, insincere, fraudulent. Antonym: honest, ethical, forthright. Raucous: behaving in a noisy or disorderly way. Ugra. Synonym: discordant, harsh, loud. Antonym: loud, mild, soft. Frisk: to pass your hands over someone's body in search of drugs or other weapons. Dare. Synonym: search, check, inspect. Antonym: overlook, ignore, neglect. Mortify: to put someone in the position of being embarrassed. शर्मिंदा करना. Synonym: annoy, chagrin, disgrace. Antonym: aid, delight, sothy. Substantial: referring to something that is greater or larger than normal. जोरदार. Synonym: massive, significant, sizable. Antonym: broken, minor, worthless. Rebellion: refuse to accept some authority or code or convention. विद्रोह. Synonym: uprising, insurgency, defiance. Antonym: obedience, orthodoxy, harmony. Hospitality: friendly and generous. Reception of guests. Other. Synonym: accommodation, companionship, generosity. Antonym: aloofness, coldness, hostility. Fertile: capable of producing, उपजाऊ. Synonym: abundant, arable, fruitful. Antonym: barren, important, sparse. Casual: characterized by a feeling of irresponsibility. अनौपचारिक, लापरवाह. Synonyms: occasional, offhand, accidental. Antonym: deliberate, planned, formal. Cursed: plagued with misfortune, evil. शापित. Synonym: deviled, blasted, unholy. Antonym: blessed, kind, nice. Unprecedented, previously never experienced or seen. अभूतपूर्व, अनोखा. Synonym: bizarre, miraculous, unparalleled. Antonym: common, usual, familiar. Diversity: an assortment of different types. विचित्रता. Synonym: dissimilarity, distinction, multiplicity. Antonym: similarity, sameness, uniformity. Polite: behavior that is respectful of other people. विनम्र. Synonym: mannerly, amiable, affable. Antonym: impolite, callous, unkind. Ambition: a desire to accomplish a task. Kamna. Synonym: aim, goal, aspiration. Antonym: laziness, indifference, disinterest. Interference: something that is discourages one from doing something. Abroad. Synonym: prevention, obviation, dissuasion. Antonym: aid, assist, support.